We'll guide you through how to stop junk email in Outlook. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they receive too many spam or unwanted emails in their inbox. Constant junk mail can be annoying, distracting, and sometimes even dangerous due to phishing or scam attempts. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Type your Outlook email address in the provided field to log in to Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you enter the correct email address associated with your account to avoid any login errors. After entering your email address, click Continue to proceed with the login process. Once you are successfully signed in, go to the Mail section to access your folders and messages. In the folder list, open your junk email to view messages that have been filtered as spam or unwanted content. Inside the junk email folder, locate the email from the sender you want to block. Carefully check the sender's address to ensure you are selecting the correct message. After identifying the email, right-click on the email message to open the context menu. From the menu options that appear, select Block to see additional blocking options. Then click Block Sender from the submenu to stop future emails from this address. A confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to confirm the action. Click OK to confirm blocking the sender. Once confirmed, the sender will be added to your blocked list, and future messages from this address will automatically be moved to the junk email folder or prevented from reaching your inbox. For the second method, click the settings icon in the top right corner of the Outlook window to open the settings panel. From the settings menu, select Mail to access mail-related configuration options. After entering the mail settings, click Junk Email to manage your junk and blocked sender preferences. Scroll down to the Blocked Senders and Domains section, where you can manually add email addresses to block. Click Add Blocked Sender to begin adding a new address. A text field will appear where you can type the email address you want to block. Enter the full and correct email address to ensure accuracy. Select OK to add the address to the blocked list. Click Save to apply the changes and update your account settings successfully.